Hello and welcome to another update video about Coti. I felt it was time to give you another update. Recently they rolled out the mainnet 2.0, as you might know, and this will have positive implications on Coti in general. There's the interesting things coming from Coti going to come. We had very recently here a huge pump all the way up to here on Coinbase. It was nearly to $1. That didn't happen that much on KuCoin, but I think that was when some institutional investors started to buy in. Now that has died down again, but I think this could be happening soon again. I find Coti generally is a very, very interesting cryptocurrency, especially for 2022 as well. And let's take a look at the chart. So far, we had built that double top up here, and since then we have dropped down. I did expect, certainly further price increases now, but we haven't seen that yet. So we are still sort of in consolidation mode. So far, the golden pocket, here the 0.618 fib level at 44 cents has held. We dropped very, very briefly below that here when Bitcoin dropped very strongly. We dropped actually to 42 cents. Now that was bought up immediately. And since then we've been holding above the golden pocket. This seems to be holding for now, but I am under no illusion that if Bitcoin really drops into that target area that I've been talking about between 54 and 57k, that then Coti might do another dive and might actually lose that golden pocket and actually could then have space to go down to that 37 cent level, which is the 0.786 fib level. I think there will be further support before probably. So there is one important support level here, which is the 41 cent level, 41.5, which is this previous high here from the 18th of September. Overall, we've also dropped below this ascending trend line that I still had on the chart here. So yeah, I think we actually dropped, you can see it here, we dropped below it, and then we did retest it, and that retest was successful, meaning that we actually dropped further because we couldn't get above this ascending trend line again. We're also being held now below the 50-day moving average, which is, slightly bearish, you could say, but overall we are actually still not breaking out of this range. So you can see that we've been moving within this range now for a while, between the golden pocket and here the all-time high. Well, the all-time high was actually way up here, but I won't count that because it was a bit out of the norm. But basically here between 70 cents and 44 cents. So quite a volatile cryptocurrency, still here moving in that range on the Coinbase chart. And personally, I would expect the golden pocket is holding. But again, if Bitcoin drops once more, we could really lose that. And then you have two more support levels at 41.5 and at 37.2 cents. I would be very surprised, I must say, that if we drop below 37.2 cents, because that is the 0.786, one of the last main fib levels where we could find support. But everything is possible, but I would be very, very surprised. Personally, looking at the indicators here on the daily, we've dropped below the 50 line on the RSI, so rather looking bearish here in the short term. Also the MACD down here is going red, so it's giving us actually a sell signal. So let's take a look here on the 4-hour chart on the more shorter term time frame, where we can see that yes, we are finding support here currently, and this is the golden pocket here at 44 cents. So we dropped below it, now we're finding support, but this does not look like a bullish move at the moment. You can clearly see we haven't started a new uptrend or anything. So with that uncertain environment at the moment, we have to wait what Bitcoin is doing. I think it's just doing what Bitcoin is doing at the moment, it seems. And then if you can see us going above, I think here, this 48.8 cent level, that would be, I think, my first confirmation that we continue our move up again. That would be making a new higher low here. We would get above this previous low as well, here of the 48 cent level. If we go above that, that's also then above the 0.5 fib level. If we climb above that, this is really the tricky level here, I think, which is 54 cents. Yeah, 54 cents. This is where currently the 50-day moving average is sitting. Way just above that is the 20-day moving average. It's also the 0.382 fib level here. And this is an important one that we really, really need to get above. I think from here we could then expect really, really a new uptrend, because we are basically going above the shorter term time frames. Until then, I think we are in a corrective mode, in a corrective phase. and I can't really see that turn around. We can't really see here any short-term bullish divergence forming or anything, not on the 4-hour chart, not on the daily. And I think we just have to be a bit patient with Coti. I really see the potential in Coti. It's a very interesting project, and they are going to announce apparently a very big partnership in the next few months. So I think this might be, personally, I think this might be the last time where we can get Coti at these low prices. That's my view. No financial advice at all, and I think we might see a little bit lower prices, yeah. But I would be very surprised if we drop below 37 cents. I think currently these prices are good buy prices, considering that we already saw here a price of 90 cents on Coinbase, and the previously, before that, our high was 70 cents. So it's generally looking good from a fundamental point of view, I think, for Coti, and some big announcements will come. Still a fairly unknown cryptocurrency, but as soon as the Cardano stablecoin is coming out and DJet and is going to be more used, I think Coti will profit from that as well, and we will see Coti it has a bright future. I think at some point Coti can realistically, and I'm talking here about maybe a couple of years, can even get to $5. That is my view. Hope you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.